Hey guys, your favorite girl Alicia handles it, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, it's a short video, and I am featuring how to place. It's basically I'm doing a bob, and it's gonna be with a closure. So basically, this is about how to do a wig with a closure, and it's going to be a bob. Did I just say the same thing over and over again? But I guess that's good because you guys will get it. Now, this is going to be a visual tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to handle it for you. Please make sure to hit the like button on your way in or your way out. And if you can look for the hype button on this video and hype it for me so I can get out there in the algorithms, guys. I appreciate all the love I've been getting. Yes, this is my first big video back in a while, but I'm coming back in full force, guys. So this is just a simple tutorial of how to do a closure bob wig. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Now, one thing I'm going to make sure to tell you guys, if it's your first time making a wig, do not line up the edge of the hair to the cap. Bring the hair down at least a ½ inch or an inch, depending on the size of the head of the person or your head. Don't ever line up the edge of the hair to the cap. Always bring it down an inch. So handlers, I want to make sure to let you guys know when you're starting your unit to sew it, make sure to go through, you see this dark band right here? Do not go through all 3 layers. If it's your first time, make sure pay attention because you will be going through only the first layer of this darkest part of the band. Because if you go through more than 1 layer, your wig will not be able to stretch. And that's why I love this cap that I'm using because it has a stretch. Even when you're finished doing the wig, it stretches almost to any size head between 20 and 21 and a half, maybe 22 inches. So this cap is perfect. Make sure to go back to the front of the video so you can check out which cap I'm exactly using. And now that I finished this side, we're going to go to the other side. Guys, hit the like button and make sure to hit that hype button also. And I'm going to show you guys where to start the first track, because I know it's kind of hard to figure out where to put the tracks when it's a closure. But I'm going to let you guys see where I put the first track. And if you really want to know how to make a wig from start to finish, I have plenty of videos on my channel of how to do that. And I think I have a couple of closure ones too, because how to make a closure and how to make a frontal wig is two totally different ways. And if you guys are watching right here, I always use two needles. I never go around with the same threaded needle all around the lace. I'll do this side and then I'll go to the other side and let them meet up in the middle and marry. So like I said again, guys, please hit the like button if you're new here. Thanks for joining, and I hope you subscribe and become a handler. So as I did in the front with the closure, you're going to do the same thing. Every time you hit the darkest part of the cap, you're going to not sew through the whole thing, because it will not let the cap stretch. All right. And remember, go back to the front of the video and check out the cap that I'm using. I don't like to use the cap that, what do they call that cap? It's they have the mesh dome, and they have the, ooh, someone please drop it in the comments, but you know, the one that doesn't have any air in it. I don't like that one, the one that's really closed off. So, and this one stretches really good, so make sure you invest in this one. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. I'll be going live soon. Let me know if you guys want a finger wave. I think I will be doing a finger wave class next, showing you guys how to do finger waves with the finger and without the finger with two combs. So I love you all. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.